Wow, this is a new foray, right? Yes. So many exciting things happening. Bhuvan, you've already created so many sensations on YouTube and on other platforms that we can't mention. But Kuku Ki Kundli has such a fun premise. I remember reading the script for the first time and finding it supremely entertaining. Somain had, and his team had developed it, and when I read it, I thought, this has huge success all over it. But for everyone present here, why don't you share something about your character in the film and how it has been working with Amazon and, of course, us at Dharma Productions?
Firstly, it feels surreal to be standing here. Two of my most favorite mentors are here. I remember a decade ago, we did FanFest together. Yeah. And I just requested you, ki, sir, I'm doing T2 talks on stage in front of 10,000 people. Will you be a part of it? And without any hesitation, he agreed to do it, and he actually came. So we had to manage everything, but he was such a sport. And since then, every decision that I take in life, I just text him once that I'm going to do this. Please guide me. And with Nikhil sir, it's been one hell of a ride. My first ever show, he made it happen. My second show, he was there, and my first movie, he's there. So thank you, Nikhil sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And Kuku is just like me. मेरी तरह लड़का है कुकू, दिल्ली का, awkward. उसको लड़कियों से बात करनी नहीं आती. He's very shy, but like many other Delhi boys, he's a lover boy. And yeah, so it's been a great, fun ride shooting with this guy, and he's a phenomenal director. And I don't believe that we still have 15 days to go.
Oh. You have 15 days to go, Shari. All right, okay.
Lesser.
Well, just a note that we have some exciting producers with us. Somain Mishra, who heads all the development at Dharma. Raj Mehta, who's a solid filmmaker himself, is now turning producer, and his foray into production with Kuku Ki Kundli while he directs a film of his own. Marika, a strong pillar of our company and will always, always be. Sharan Sharma, who made his debut at Dharma Productions with Gunjan Saxena, making his third feature film. Apurva Mehta, who I cannot live without. So it's like a full coming together of various pillars of Dharma Productions. So Kuku Ki Kundli, I keep saying, Kuku Ki Kundli.
You started this, Karan. From the first day, it's been Kuku, Kiki, Kuku.
By the way, I was the only one getting it right, because Apurva called it Kuku Ki Kothi, and you called it something else altogether. Yeah. So I was the only one getting it right, and for some reason today, but 3 hours on stage, all on my own, I think I can be allowed a certain slip of the tongue.
But I wanted to ask Vamika. Vamika, you started your journey with Prime Video at Jubilee, and now with Amazon MGM Studios, with Kuku Ki Kundli. It's been a remarkable journey. Just tell us how you feel.
Wow. ये इतना बड़ा मुझे आंसर यहाँ पे देना
पड़ेगा। क्या था सवाल? मैं देता हूँ। मैं टिप्स दूँ। क्या सवाल पूछा?
कि जुबली से लेके अब तक क्या है? पहले क्वेश्चन मिला था, वो ये था कि डिस्क्राइब इट इन वन वर्ड. मैंने कहा एक वर्ड में डिस्क्राइब कर दूंगी. आपने मुझे वन वर्ड डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए बोला नहीं. बट एनीवे, मैं सोच के आई थी कि आई एम गोना से बिकमिंग. मैंने बहुत सोचा कि क्या बोलूँ मैं, वन वर्ड में कैसे डिस्क्राइब करूँ. It started off as I am supposed to reach some destination, but जैसे जैसे ये जर्नी चलती गई, I understood that it's not about any destination, it's about becoming, or the whole journey was about learning, unlearning, and just making me more aware about my own self. And I've been discovering who I am in phases and in bits. I'm as an actor and as a person. So yeah, it's not a one-word answer, but I think
it's a good answer.
Yeah, this is how I would describe it.
Thank you.
I'm sure you've had a wonderful time, because every time I see the stills of the film and all the footage, it looks like you guys had a great time and are making a solid film.
We are having so much fun.
Yeah. Apurva, would you like to share something about the excitement about Kuku Ki Kundli?
No, this is such an exciting script. It's really true Dharma style, rom-com, entertainer, fun. There's chaos because the Kundlis create some confusion, but I'll save the rest for later. But it's been so lovely making this with Amazon Studios, and we've done so much work with them, and it's always such a pleasure, Nikhil. So thank you. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity again.
Amazon has been wonderful, and with that, we'd love to welcome the warm, wonderful family of Amazon. Please let's welcome back on stage Kelly Nicole, Gaurav Gandhi, and Chetan Jhawar for our beautiful photo.